Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this motion blur morph edit on CapCut PC. So select your images and add it to the timeline like so. Select everything and make sure before you add them, actually just go to menu, settings, go to edit and make sure they're 0.5 seconds. Then add that in. Right click on them, create compound clip, and then you can add in the motion blur. I'd like to do like around 60% for the blur and blend, and for the times I like to do like 6 times. And I'm just going to wait for it to process. Make sure you have like better quality photos, because this is all very blurry and not in like the best quality. So I'm just going to wait for it to process. It does take longer if your clip is longer, so keep that in mind. And once you're done, I'm on 80% right now. Once you're done, it should look something like this. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!